Welcome back to 13 News this morning. We're joined by Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we're making blueberry oatmeal muffins that you actually will be making at the Kansas State Fair tomorrow, right?
That's right. And we'll mention again, if they stop by the Domestic Arts Building, I'll be there at 11 o'clock, and we're giving free gifts away, recipes, lots of fun things. So come to the fair and join us. This is one of the recipes that I'll actually be making.
Okay.
It's one that we've done in conjunction with the Kansas Wheat Commission.
Yes.
Promoting Bake and Take and Bake for Family Fun Month, and having kids in the kitchen and talking about Kansas wheat and Kansas soybeans, combining our ingredients. So this is the soy flour blend that has soy flour in it and also all-purpose flour. And we've got the recipe for it on our website. To that, Jared, you're going to add the oatmeal and the brown sugar and the baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And then I will start stirring this. And then Raina is going to mix. We've already put the egg in there, Raina. And you're going to add the soy milk to that, which is half a cup of soy milk. And then vegetable oil. And we know the only ingredient in there is our soybeans.
Yeah, that's right.
So just look at the label. Now, would you add our blueberries there?
Yeah, this is my favorite part. Look at that color.
And look at these big blueberries.
This makes this muffins right here.
That's
well,
right.
I guess it makes it blueberry muffins.
1 cup of blueberries in here.
Okay.
Look at you. You did that great. And now do you want to pour that into here?
Yeah.
And the great thing about muffins is that, gosh, it doesn't take long to make it.
It doesn't.
And here we have 2 steps, so your daughters can help with this and make that. And then just teach them that they don't want to over stir.
Okay.
So as soon as they see that it's mixed in and there's no dry ingredients showing, that's when you want to stop. That will give you the best muffin.
What do you mean help with it? They just turned 10 and 12. Those girls, the Broyles girls, can do this on their own and wake Daddy up when breakfast is done.
I think that's wonderful, Jared. You're doing
But
great.
I will supervise when we put it in the oven. Don't write.
Now, we would either grease these or we put them in a muffin cup.
Yeah, the muffin cup's great.
And I love using the dipper because that way they're portioned out right. And then for a little special touch on this, we have just a little bit of cinnamon and sugar that makes a topping. Bake that at 400 for about 18 minutes.
Okay.
Check it with a wooden pick to make sure that they're done. And you have 12 of the blueberry muffins.
These. Oh my gosh.
And it's National Breakfast Month.
And it's perfect. So, and you know, with muffins, you can have those any time of day.
Oh,
Breakfast, it could be an after-school snack.
That's some good stuff right there.
We do
can you
love
smell that over here,
blueberries.
Raina?
I think I smell more of this.
Okay.
But
Well,
either
smell
way, it
this.
smells
This
good.
is the actual.
Oh yeah, they do smell good. I smell the oatmeal.
I know, it's so
Love it.
good.
So if they call our number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN,
Yep.
or go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, they'll get the recipes. But be sure to call in because we'll also send them the Kansas Wheat Commission 2024 booklet.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. Well, thank you, Charlene. We appreciate it. Well, stay with us because we're back right after this.